Hi friends! Today we will talk about the Snapchat application and I will show you how to create the shortcut on this app. So let's go to the watching. First and foremost, we need to open our Snapchat app. And what does it mean that we will have some Snapchat shortcut? It means that, as an example, I had created some story and want to share it with only my one selected friend. So let's check it. Let's tap on the shooter button and pick on this set to. And as you can check here, I have already created a shortcut. After tapping on it, I have only one person I had selected. It's so convenient and very cool that I won't tap every time on the selected person I want, but I can smoothly create some group of people I will use every time after just tapping on one button and K. So after clicking on this Create Story option, only my shortcut will be added here, and after tapping on this Send to option, my newly created story will be a private one, and only the selected people, only my friends I had added to this group will see it. So it's definitely a very convenient option, and right now I will show you how to make it on your device. So let's go to the chat screen. You will get access to the whole your shortcuts on this screen after swiping it down. So if you have the best friends, you will already have this shortcut with your best friends after clicking on this sticker. Best friends. If the default one, you need to do nothing to add this shortcut because it's the default settings, but if you want to create your own customized shortcut, as this one as an example, yes, we have the same person here because it's our best friend, so I added it here also. You just need to pick on this plus icon and tap on the new shortcut option. Right now you can add some person you want, so I will add myself, my another account, and for example this person, to create a new shortcut. Let's tap on it, and as you can check, we have an alert that we also need to add a single emoji for our shortcut to smoothly find it on the list. Okay, so let's go to the stickers and I will add this heart as an example. Let's tap at the create shortcut. Okay, so as you can check, we have right now two different shortcuts. Let's click on it here. And we have three people, okay, our account also is here, added to the shortcut. It's very easy step to create shortcut, and I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and you will use this option after, because as I said before, it's really very quick option to send to your only selected friends and make your stories private. Guys, don't forget about likes. Also subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool tutorials, tricks about the Snapchat app and other different applications. And goodbye guys, good luck!